Good morning. I am Professor Rajendra Prasad, Director Medical Education, Eraz Lucknow Medical College, Lucknow, and Professor and Head in Department of Pulmonary Medicine. I have been former Director, Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute, Delhi, and I have been also former Professor and Head, Department of Pulmonary Medicine, King George's Medical University, Lucknow. Today, I will share with you why the death rate because of the COVID is less in India when we compare it with the other developed countries. We know the COVID started in the early part of this year, and by now literally whole of the world has been affected by the COVID, and by now 6 crore people have been infected globally, and that comes out to be about 7,500 per 10 lakh population. If you see in India, around 95 lakh people have been infected by now, and it comes out to be around 6,500 per 10 lakh population. If you see in USA, whose population is 1/4 of ours, and there 1.24 crore have been infected by now, and if you calculate per 10 lakh population, it comes out to be 38,000. It's a pretty high. Same thing in death also. If you see globally, there have been by now 14 lakh deaths, and it come out to be average 180 per 10 lakh. And then in USA, if you see, the 2.61 lakh death has occurred by now, and it comes out to be 780 per 10 lakh population. And if you see in India, around 1.35 lakh deaths has occurred by now, and it comes out to be just 96 per 10 lakh population. So from these data, it looks very clear that the COVID is occurring less in India as compared to other developed countries, and even if you compare with the global average. Seriousness and death is also less. So my question is, why this is happening? Why we are different than other developed countries? Some of the things which comes to my mind, I would like to share with you. It means that probably our immunity is different than the immunity in other developed countries. And why immunity is different? There are multiple factors. I will discuss one by one. You know, our food is different if you compare with the Western world. We are basically a vegetarian people. Here, too many people eat non-veg, but our habit of eating non-veg is different than the Western world. Then another part in the food, we eat fresh food as compared to the frozen, tinned fruits in developed countries. And another point I would like to point out here, food is mostly cooked in our houses, cooked by our mothers, sisters, ladies, with lot of love. That food we eat, that may affect the immunity, total health status and the immunity in general. Then the way of cooking is also very different in India. We use lot of spices. Even if you go poorest of the poor house, everybody eat spices. And what spices? We eat haldi, we eat adrak, we eat jeera, saunf, kalauji. There are so many articles. We use daily. if you compare it from the Western world. And you know, lately you must have heard that these spices have some property. They may create immunity against these infections. Then another point, how we are different. We usually, average Indian takes bath daily. So there is more cleanliness as compared to the Western world. Usually after taking bath, most of the Indian, they perform some prayer, some sort of prayer, whatever you believe, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, they perform, they follow different system of prayer. But everybody does it. Here I would like to quote a study which was done in USA. Actually, they did this study when patients are admitted in ICU. Half of the ICU patients, they were treated everyone like same, but half of the ICU patients, they said that you do some prayer as per your whatever you do. So what they found, that the persons who were doing prayer, their outcome was much better as persons who were not doing prayers. So that may be another issue in this country. Then our family system is also combined one. Then another issue, in asthma we talk about health hygiene theory. Hygiene theory means when somebody lives in a quite धूल धुएं में रहते हैं, मिट्टी में रहते हैं, साधारण पानी पीते हैं, we drink simple water, not very clean water, then those patients who are lifestyle was like this, they have less asthma. So that may be the another reason why the immunity may be different in our country. Then finally, another thing what I would like to share, that BCG is another factor which might be important for a different immunity. There has been a lot of study and lot of interest in BCG as far as COVID is concerned. I also wrote an editorial in Lung India that whosoever has received BCG, now their immunity may be different. So BCG may be acting as a protective. So there are studies which have shown that in countries where BCG is commonly practiced, there the COVID was less, and there the death was even less. So ladies and gentlemen, these were my ideas, but definitely, of course, these ideas needs further research and needs to be studied, that why our immunity is different than the Western world, and that may be the reason why the death rate is less in COVID as compared to Western world. Thank you very much.